What is this? This is a beast that is the unofficial mascot. It's a crazy looking creature. Nobody knows what it is. I can't tell. Sometimes your plans might not work out, and that happened to us. We accidentally came upon this quaint town of New Hope, Pennsylvania. Best burgers in town. That Creeper Gallery. And the best part, it has miles and miles of walking and biking trails that go through the small towns. It's kind of like a little house on the prairie here. So let's go riding. Oh my God. So what is great about this place that there are two trails, one on the New Jersey side and one on the Pennsylvania side, all connected by a bridge. One is the Delaware and Raritan Trail. It runs along the canal for 70 miles all along the Delaware River. That is in New Jersey. And then you cross the bridge. You have to walk your bike over the bridge to another canal that's in Pennsylvania. That's the Delaware Canal Towpath Trail that runs about 60 miles all along through New Hope, all the way along the Delaware River. Very, very cool. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh, how adorable. Rumors report that Leonardo DiCaprio and Bradley Cooper and Gigi Hadid live here in New Hope, Pennsylvania. So you never know, you might bump into them. Here it comes, Bammo. Do you think Leonardo DiCaprio lives here? The trail's very narrow. And it looks like clay, like a clay court, tennis court, I don't know. So a little bit of history of this town. King Charles II in England owed lots of money to William Penn, about $3 million in our time. So he gave him Pennsylvania to pay off his debt. And William Penn sold this land that we're standing on to Robert Klein, started the New Hope community here. Benjamin Perry, the mansion right behind me, he was considered the father of New Hope because he established the first bank, lumber mill, and financed the canal that transports many things back and forth. And that's what gives us the bike trail today. This is the bridge that you have to walk your bike over, but it brings you right to Lambertville, New Jersey. And it's another little cute town on the other side. This is called the D&L Canal Trail. It's a canal loop trail, Pennsylvania to New Jersey. They run parallel to each other and connected by 7 river bridges. That's pretty gorgeous. How far does it go? Wow. Mountains in the distance. Crushed gravel, super flat. Delaware River, just down from here is where George Washington made his famous crossing over the Delaware River. You might have seen that famous painting. So why did George cross the river on December 25th? On a miserable cold night, and there was ice chunks on the river, and the Continental Army was tired to get to the other side, of course. He almost gave up on his mission to conduct a surprise attack on the Hessian troops, but it worked out. Welcome to America. Thank you, George Washington. So the unexpected plan turned into a great day at New Hope, Pennsylvania. Hope to see you riding. Parking can be a bitch here. There are kiosks that you can pay, but you need the Park Mobile app. Or you can park, the American Legion has parking for $25. Or like us, we stayed in a hotel. We were able to get free parking.